Hello, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about all of the best products on Amazon for new parents. You guys, this is the Ergo baby carrier. It's the Omni 360. You guys, this is an amazing baby carrier, and it's one that you can use from infant all the way up to toddler. And it is so versatile that you are able to carry your baby in basically every single position, inward facing, front, outward, on your back, and on your hip. It is also one of the only baby carriers out there that is internationally certified by the Hip Dysplasia Institute for making sure that this is going to be hip healthy for your baby. That is something that is so important to look out for when you are looking for anything for your baby as far as seats or carriers. You want to make sure that it is going to be healthy for their hips and it's not going to cause them any discomfort or problems on down the line. The Ergo carrier is not going to do that. It is a really, really high quality, safe baby carrier. Again, one that your baby is going to be able to use for several years and that you are going to be able to use in a lot of different positions. They have different sizes for depending on who is going to be using it, whether you're petite or a little bit taller, or whether dad is going to be using this, so they can make sure that they get the perfect fit for you. There are also a lot of different colors and designs for this, and ones that I really appreciate because Ergobaby made them really fashionable. There are a lot of earth tones and, colors that are going to match your outfits and your clothes, and, just aren't just the, pastel and baby prints that, a lot of times you're accustomed to when you're buying baby products. This is actually really fashionable, and it's something that, you don't mind wearing. And of course, this is really gonna be comfortable for your baby. There is a neck rest support pillow, and it also has a little hood that you can put up over baby when there's cold weather or when you're in a crowd and you just don't want those germs or whatever else is going around. It just adds a layer of protection and security. We all know how important that is. They also have the Ergobaby guarantee. They stand by this product 100%, and if you find any sort of defect with this product, you've got a lifetime guarantee. They are going to take care of it for you. You know that this is just going to be an excellent product. You're going to use it for a long time. You are going to get your money's worth, and they guarantee it. They back it up. There's a ton of good reviews. You guys can buy with confidence. Go ahead and put this on your registry or put it in your cart. You're going to be really, really happy that you did.